Crooked.
Wait, he said bucket?
No.
What did he say?
He said to truck it.
Oh.
No. He said the F word.
What is the F word? To find it?
No.
I don't get it.
Spell it.
Come on.
Spell it.
No, say it. What is it?
He said bucket.
It's a bucket.
No,
That's-
it's
She said
not.
Drayden. Wait, here's his mom.
Drayden-
Here's his mom when he
Drayden said truck it.
Bucket.
said- Wait,
He
stop.
said bucket.
Wait a
What?
minute.
Wait, what? I can't hear
He
you.
said,
He said bucket.
he said truck it. I don't know.
No, he said no.
Wait, there's no bucket over there?
He said
No, he
bucket.
said fuck it. He said bucket, then he said it.
No, he said truck it. I think he said truck it. I thought I heard it.
Drayden, this is how we'll find out. Drayden, come here. Wait, okay, stay here. What did you say? Don't say it, Haley. What bad word did you say? Say it. I'm gonna count.
See?
If you don't, wait, no, listen.
He said nothing.
If you don't tell me what you, okay, what did he say?
Fuck it. Thank you.
Oh.
Did you say that? What did you say then?
He was like this.
Okay, you tell me the story, Haley. What
No, he
happened?
was like this. He took the ball and said, fuck it.